Hello French lovers, welcome back to another episode of French for Fun. And today we are going to look at French adjectives. So just like in English, adjectives describe a noun, but the only difference is that the French adjectives, they take into account the gender and the number of the noun. When I talk about the gender, that is feminine or masculine, and for the number, whether it is singular or plural. We don't find this in English. English is a little bit simple. Let us look at the examples. Un petit garçon, un petit garçon. Une jolie fleur. Fleur is feminine, so we're going to say jolie with an E, une jolie fleur. And when you come down, you say cette grande maison. Cette grande maison, you realize that the fact that there are 7 houses, it is of course going to have an S. So maison is feminine, so we put E, and the fact that it's plural, we put S, which becomes cette grande maison. And let us look at now the types of adjectives. We have possessive adjectives and demonstrative adjectives. And with possessive adjectives, they define whom the noun belongs to, like mon, ma, so, ça, notre, nos, leur, to, ta, votre, vos. So let us look at examples now. Mon cahier, ma chérie, mon cahier, my notebook, mon chéri, my dear, tes fleurs, your flowers, ses parents, his parents, leur adresse, their address. You see that it is talking about to whom the noun belongs to. Nos vaches. And when we go to demonstrative adjectives, now this one points at something or emphasize its importance, the importance of that noun. For example, we have c'est, set. And when we look at the examples, you're going to see ce bureau. So we use ce bureau like just the way it is when it is masculine. Ce bureau, masculine. Cet homme. And if it's masculine and begins with the vowels or H on it, the vowels, we know we have A, E, I, O, U, Y, and H. H is silent in French. So that one we also use ce with T. So it becomes cet homme. Cette chaise. This is feminine. Cette chaise. Ces feuilles. These or those leaves. So with all that, I hope that I have really helped you somewhere, somehow, and I wish you a very nice journey in learning the French language. I wish you a very nice time, guys, and have a great time, and merci beaucoup. Bye bye.